The tools on the left side of the canvas can be opened and closed by clicking on the toolbox icons. Once a toolbox is open, you can undock the toolbox from the diagram frame and move it to a convenient location on the canvas. Floating toolboxes can be collapsed and expanded by clicking on the toolbox header, and they can be resized using the buttons at the lower right. Multiple toolboxes can be floating in the canvas at one time and positioned as you like. Note that a click on the canvas does not close the toolboxes, as this allows you to navigate and select another element and continue your edits right where you left off. Close your toolboxes by clicking on the X in the upper right corner or by clicking again on the toolbox icon. The Add Factors button will allow you to add new factors to a diagram. Currently, only text boxes and scope boxes can be added to diagrams. Over the next few months, all situation model and results chain factors will be added to this Add Factor menu. To add any new factor to a diagram, simply click and drag the factor to the canvas. Then enter the information as prompted in the Factor Properties window and save. Collapse the Factor Properties window by clicking anywhere in the white space. The visibility tools allow you to turn diagram factors on and off. The double arrows at the top of the toolbox are used to collapse and expand all of the visibility menus. Use the eye symbol to turn factors on and off. Note that primary factors, such as strategies, results, and targets, will only show up in the visibility menu if you have already included them in your diagram. Any factors you haven't included in your diagram will not show up in the visibility menu. Related factors such as objectives, indicators, and activities will always be available in the visibility menu.
For example, this simple diagram does not yet include any results, intermediate results, threat reduction results, or biophysical results. So none of these factors appear in the factor list in the visibility menu. Only the targets and strategies, as well as all of the related factors, appear in the visibility menu.
In addition to controlling the visibility of diagram factors, the visibility tools allow you to turn links on and off, and turn status lights on and off for both actions and results. Under the Diagram menu, the diagram details can be displayed as a text box above the diagram. You can adjust the size and the location of the details text box. Note that any changes to the position of the details text box are temporary. When you turn the box off, the next time you turn it on, it will return to its original position above the diagram. The visibility toolbox also includes controls for tagged factors. Tagging is addressed in a separate tutorial and will not be covered here. The Diagram Properties toolbox supports viewing and editing of overall diagram content. Summary content, progress status, and program classifications can all be accessed here. For users with editor permissions, a pencil icon will appear when hovering over editable fields, and a Properties panel will open to allow editing.